Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply Gmail data protection best practices in the USA step by step. Protecting your Gmail account is essential for personal safety, remote work, and business compliance. This full guide for 2026 will help you secure your emails and sensitive data effectively. First, enable two-factor authentication via Google account security, two-step verification. Use a strong, unique password and consider a password manager for added security. Regularly check account activity under Last Account Activity to spot suspicious logins. Use Gmail confidential mode for sensitive emails with expiration dates, restricted, forwarding, and passcodes. Organize emails with labels, folders, and filters for projects, clients, or personal topics. Backup critical emails using Google Drive or Google Vault. Avoid using public Wi-Fi unless connected through a VPN to encrypt your data. Stay aware of phishing emails and suspicious links. Don't click unknown links or download unexpected attachments. Regularly review your inbox, archive old emails, and delete unnecessary messages. And yeah, that's how to apply Gmail data protection best practices in the USA step by step in 2026. If this helped you secure your account and emails, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.